This property has all the amenities we're all craving for these days without leaving your home. This place is a true all-season retreat. Set on 10 private acres, the house is finished top to bottom with an open concept plan. There's a home movie theater, in-ground saltwater pool with a resort-style timber frame pool house that includes a hot tub, sauna, and outdoor shower. The outbuildings include a private home gym completely detached from the house. There's a 42.5 by 18.5 heated and secured helicopter hangar for the ultimate jet set lifestyle. A heated 3-car garage, and the property has been professionally landscaped. All of this is now up for grabs and on the market. The finished lower level has a separate entrance from the 3-car garage with a bedroom, large living room, full bathroom, and this is where the home theater room is. Tons of potential down here for a separate living space. To make this gated residence your haven away from it all, please feel free to call or text the number on the screen, or you can always check us out at lesleystoneham.ca. Thanks for watching.